Today we're going to solve a problem similar to the one that we solved yesterday, except this one has no square roots. It's just x to the power of x is equal to x. The first thing we do is subtract one side from the other and make the other 0, like so. So x to the power of x minus x is 0. Now we can take out a factor of x and put this in a parentheses. So x times x minus 1, x minus 1. Since you're multiplying it back with this x, and then this is just minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have two solutions here. The first one where x is 0, and the second one where x to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is our first, and this is our second. Now we just solve the second one. So this is going to be x to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 1. And since these are equal, then that means we can make the powers equal. So right here it's going to be x minus 1 is equal to 0, because anything to the power of 0 is 1. So therefore we get x is 1 in our second solution. But the thing is, this is wrong, because the bottom can't be 0. So this isn't right. And there's also a third solution to this problem, where x is negative 1. And I'm just going to prove that to you by plugging it in to this. So negative 1 to the power of negative 1 minus 1, well, that's just going to be negative 1 to the power of negative 2. And that's really going to be, so it's actually going to be 1 over negative 1 squared, or 1 over 1, which is 1. So negative 1 works. So we have our two answers, where x is 1 and x is negative 1.